Not getting notifications after the iOS 15 update? Here's how to fix it. Make sure notifications are enabled. Open the Settings app, tap on Notifications, then tap on Show Previews. Make sure that the option Always is selected. Turn off focus mode. Go to your home screen, and from the top right corner, swipe down to access the control center. Locate the focus mode icon and check if it's enabled. If it is, tap on the button to disable it. Disable focus automation. Open the Settings app, locate and tap on Focus, then select a focus. Under Turn on Automatically, tap on Smart Activation or another option, depending on the configuration. Toggle the switch to disable the automation. Disable Notification Summary. Open the Settings app, go to Notification Settings, then tap on Scheduled Summary. Next to Schedule Summary, toggle the switch to disable the option. Change focus settings. Open the Settings app, go to Focus Settings. Now, tap on Focus. Under the Allowed Notifications section, tap on People and select the contacts from which you want to get notifications. When done, go back and tap on Apps, and select the apps from which you want to get notifications. Re-download the app. Locate the app you don't get notifications from on your device. Tap and hold it until a quick menu appears. From the menu, select Delete App or Remove App. Confirm the action by tapping on Delete. Now, open the App Store. In the search field, enter the app name. When the app appears in the search results, tap on the cloud with an arrow to download it again. Restart your iPhone, iPad. Another thing you can do is restart your device. Restarting the iPhone or iPad will eliminate any minor errors and glitches that might have something to do with the notification issues. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone/iPad. Now, tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. If asked, enter your passcode and confirm the action. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.